So I got a little bit of a surprise here for you. Bought a new vehicle the other day. And this is it. This is my 2007 Chevy Impala SS. Yeah, I know, it is pretty damn dirty. Of course, it had the frickin' rain out. Combination of rain and being under a damn tree doesn't really do a whole lot of it justice, but what can I do? So I'm definitely gonna have to wash it. It's got 136,114 miles, I believe. I bought it with a 135,560 something. She runs good. Great runner. Oh, I don't know why that was on. I don't know why it was so loud either, but we'll start her up. Oh yeah, I suppose it hasn't been started for about 2 days either. Because I don't take it to work, I take my truck to work. And I pretty much just drive this for the weekend. Or if I'm going to go anywhere. So right now. Muffler's got holes in it. That one's bad and the other muffler, they both got holes in it, that's why they rattle. But that's alright, I'm going to cut them out sometime. Straight pipe it anyway. Yeah, she runs good. She's clean colored. I mean, obviously it burns a little bit of oil. I don't know any LS4s that don't burn oil. If I'm being completely honest with you. Paid $4,500 for it. And I actually got it. Friday. No, Thursday. Yeah, a week ago. A week ago yesterday. So I owned it for a little over a week now. And she's a pretty nice car for what it is. I like it. My friend just bought one too, so I'm actually going to go visit him right now. So we can compare cars. Except his has 63,000 miles on it. 63 actual miles on it. So there's pretty much no comparison, I guess. One thing I noticed is it does kind of idle weird. It idles low right away. Like my brother's car, it'll idle high for like, I don't know, a minute or so, and then it'll slowly idle down. But this idles at 500 right off the bat. It's weird, but oh well. But I'm gonna shut up and get going and wash this bad boy. So a little quick overview of the Impala. I hope you guys liked it. Catch you in the next one.